Clearing your search history on Priceline can help enhance your privacy and improve your user experience. Follow these simple steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Priceline website and log into your account using your username and password. This will allow you to access your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once loaded in, locate your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the home page under your profile icon or name. Step 3. Find search history. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Clear search history. Within the search history section, you should see an option to clear or delete your search history. Click on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Log out. After clearing your search history, log out of your account to ensure your changes are saved and your privacy is maintained. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Priceline. Regularly doing this can help keep your information private and your account organized.